I hope you have a great day. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to design this beautiful 3 steps infographic in PowerPoint. Keys that I am using during the design, you can see at the below bar. Follow these keys and watch the video till the end. Go to format background. I am going to give it some gradient color, this one, and I am going to pick this one color. Okay, go to insert and take an all shape, this one, and drag on all shape by holding shift alt like this. Let me, okay, and I am going to also give it the gradient as the background gradient. Shape outline, I am going to give it some gray color. Yes, this one is okay. Let me control D to duplicate it, and I'm going to give it with a shadow effect with another all shape. I'm going to make it little bit bigger in size. Shape outline, make it no outline. Shape fill, I'm going to give it some gray color, I think this one, and to this stop, the second one stop, I am going to give this one color. Okay, let me change its direction, and I'm going to give it a direction from the top corner, this one. Yes, it's okay. Go to soft edge, and I'm going to pick this one. Let me make it little bit bigger in size. 36, 37, 33 is okay. Yes, and send to back. This all shape will give a shadow effect to the top shape. All shape, yes. Let me increase its transparency. The stop, this one stop, yes, that the shadow effect looks premium. I'm going to Control G to group it and place it here. Control D to duplicate it. Let me, okay, yes, select. Okay, go to insert and take another all shape, a bigger one. I'm going to drag a bigger one size, align center and align middle. Shape outline, let me make it little bit smaller, I think so. Align center and align middle. Shape outline, going to give it some dark gray color, and shape fill, no fill. Send to back. Align center and align middle. Control D to duplicate it. Let me make it little bit more smaller. Select, and I'm going to put it here. Control D to duplicate it, place it here. Again, Control D, let me place it here. Perfect. Select, Control D to duplicate it and place it here. You can increase or decrease these all shapes according to your steps, according to your requirements. Okay, and let me place it here at the center of the slide, and okay, again take an all shape and drag an all shape by holding shift alt. Make it little bit smaller in size, I think so. I'm going to give it some green color, and shape fill, no fill. Edit shape and edit point, select this anchor point and open path, delete this one and also delete the next one anchor point. Yes, delete this one also. Go to insert and take a line segment. Oh sorry, I'm going to make a small oval shape to put on the ends of this curve shape. Yes, I'm going to put it here. And make it perfect. Control D to duplicate it and put it here. Again Control D to duplicate it and put it here at the center of the curve shape, half oval shape. Yes, okay, select all. Okay, let me take a line segment and drag a line segment here. Make it straight and make it at the center and give it a green color. Shape outline, give it some dark green color. Now select all these shapes and I think I should zoom it. Okay, Control G to group it and Control D to duplicate it and drag it here, and through this handle you can rotate. Okay, let me place it here and let me make its rotation perfect. Control D to duplicate it and through this handle rotate and place it here. Okay, later on I'm going to change its color. Let me select this one and change the color. Okay, let me zoom it and I'm going to change the color. Select this one also and go to shape outline and give it some different color. This one, select these small oval shapes, all three oval shapes, and also give the same color as the stroke color. Okay, let me change the color of the next one and I'm going to give it some different colors. Select the outline, both outline, this one and this one. Let me select, oh sorry, let me select this one and this one, and shape outline and give it some different color. I'm going to give this one color. Now select these small oval shapes and give it same color as the stroke color. Okay, go to insert and take a text box. Now steps, sorry, O1 and enter, hit enter, steps, step and make it at the center. I'm going to give it Montserrat font and place it here. give the same color as according to the shape. Also change the color of this one, and also change 1 to 2, put it here, 2 to 3, and also change the color according to the step. Let me bring some text that I have typed earlier to save the time. Control C and Control V to bring it to the slide. Control D to duplicate it and place it here. And Control D to duplicate it and place it here. Let me change the headline color according to the step. Friends, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon to get every time a new design. I will drop a link of a PPT file of this design. Thank you.